Hello students, so today we will see the topic that is thermistor. Okay, so thermistor is what a temperature sensitive device or a resistor used to measure temperature. Okay, the resistance of a thermistor changes with change in temperature, and it is also called as a thermal resistance resistor or thermally controlled resistor, right? So we are going to measure the temperature with the help of the property electric property, that is resistance. Now, thermistor is a negative temperature coefficient device. So what is the meaning of negative temperature coefficient? Negative temperature coefficient matlab as with increase in temperature the resistance decreases. मतलब अ, उल्टा वाला ऑपरेशन होता है। एज टेम्परेचर बढ़ने के बाद रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज होता है और टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज होने के बाद रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होता है, इसलिए उसको बोला क्या गया है नेगेटिव टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट. सो थर्मिस्टर it is comes under the negative temperature coefficient, right? Now what we will see, what is the working of the thermistor. The thermistor, a thermally sensitive resistor, works on the principle that the resistance of a semiconductor material changes significantly with the temperature. मतलब जब भी थर्मिस्टर का मैन्युफैक्चर होता है तब हम कौन सा मटेरियल यूज करते हैं? सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल यूज करते हैं. Okay, as the temperature increases, resistance decreases, as I have told you, and it is vice versa, negative temperature coefficient. Now you can see the construction of this thermistor. So this is what the one type of thermistor, that is NTC 10D-11. सो ये जो राउंड कलर का राउंड जो शेप है उसको वो क्या है? सेमीकंडक्टर सिरेमिक है. इट इज अ मेटल ऑक्साइड एंड दीज आर द कनेक्टिंग लेट्स, दैट इज टर्मिनल 1 एंड टर्मिनल 2, and which is made up of this connecting leads are made up of the thinned copper. So this is what the construction of thermistor. What is the working principle of this thermistor? Okay, as I have told you, thermistor made up of semiconductor material. Okay, when the temperature increases, what will happen? When the temperature increases, more charge carrier are generated in the semiconductor, and this increase the flow of current that causes the resistance to be decreases. Okay, when temperature decreases, and what will happen when temperature decreases, very few charge carriers are available, so the resistance is increases, right? The change in resistance is non-linear and it is used to sense and to measure the temperature. Now how it works actually? Okay, it's very important. Now how it works, the a thermistor is connected in the circuit. मतलब ये वाला इस काइंड वाला थर्मिस्टर हम क्या करते हैं, जिस सर्किट पे कनेक्ट करते हैं, यूजुअली इन द सीरीज विद द नोन रेजिस्टर. ओके, और वहां पे एक रेजिस्टर होता है, उसकी वैल्यू नोन होती है. अ कांस्टेंट वोल्टेज इज अप्लाइड अक्रॉस द सर्किट. Okay, as the temperature increase changes, okay, as the temperature changes, what will happen? The resistance of the thermistor changes. जो कुछ भी resistance thermistor हमने लगाया है thermistor in series with this known resistor, तो उसका resistance क्या होगा? Change होगा as the temperature changes. This 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 causes a change in current and voltage in the circuit, and the change is measured. This change is measured and converted to temperature using calibration curve or the equation. Okay, जो कुछ भी resistance change होता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम टेम्परेचर माप लेते हैं, राइट, विद द हेल्प ऑफ इक्वेशन. तो इक्वेशन होता क्या है? सो दिस इज व्हाट यूर द इक्वेशन you need to write in the examination. So this is what RT suffix T, which is equals to R0 e raised to B 1 by T minus 1 by T0. So RT is what the resistance at temperature T, R0 is what resistance at the reference temperature, T is what absolute temperature in Kelvin, T0 is what the reference temperature in Kelvin, beta is what material constant, and E is what the base of natural corona, right? So this is the important equation of calculation of this resistance ultimately with the temperature. And this already I have told you, this is a negative temperature coefficient graph. So what is the meaning of negative? As the temperature increases, the value of resistance is decreases. Okay, so this graph is also important for the examination along with this equation, this working, this diagram, and this definition. Okay, so this diagram is for only just for understanding purpose, no need to draw in the examination. Okay, so this is all about the thermistor. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.